All you need to know about Building Information Modeling, BIM. Hello and welcome back to Construction Placements. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Building Information Modeling, or BIM. If you're an architect, engineer, or anyone interested in the construction industry, you'll want to stick around for this one. Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing all you need to know about Building Information Modeling, BIM. BIM is a process that involves the creation and management of digital representations of physical and functional characteristics of a building. It allows for collaboration and coordination between different stakeholders in the construction industry. With BIM, architects, engineers, and contractors can work on a single platform, sharing and updating information in real time. One of the key benefits of BIM is improved visualization, as it allows for 3D modeling of buildings. This helps stakeholders to better understand the design and make informed decisions during the construction process. BIM also enables clash detection, which helps identify potential conflicts between different building elements. By detecting clashes early on, costly rework and delays can be avoided. Another advantage of BIM is the ability to create accurate cost estimates. The software can generate detailed quantity takeoffs and material schedules, resulting in more accurate budgeting for projects. Furthermore, BIM facilitates the creation of detailed construction sequencing and scheduling plans. It enables project managers to visualize the construction process, optimize the schedule, and identify potential bottlenecks before they occur. BIM also enhances communication and coordination among project team members. Through the use of BIM software, stakeholders can share information, collaborate on designs, and keep everyone updated on the progress of the project. Moreover, BIM can help improve the sustainability of buildings. Energy analysis tools integrated in the software help optimize building performance and reduce energy consumption. BIM also contributes to better facility management. Data from the construction phase can be transferred to facility management systems, ensuring a smooth transition from construction to operation. The latest trends in BIM. 1. Cloud-based BIM cloud symbols and BIM models syncing. 2. Artificial intelligence in BIM AI algorithms working on BIM models. 3. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, person wearing VR headset exploring a BIM model. 4. Internet of Things, IoT devices connected to a BIM model. If you're looking to make a career in this field, the prospects are bright. The most in-demand job profiles in Building Information Modeling are BIM Technician, MEP, Mechanical, Electrical, Plumbing Revit, BIM Modeler, Structural, Architectural, Electrical, BIM Manager, BIM Designer, BIM Coordinator, Civil 3D Revit, BIM Modeler, MEP, Structural BIM Modeler, Tekla Concrete, Steel Business Development Manager, and many more. In summary, Building Information Modeling is a powerful tool that revolutionizes the construction industry, improving collaboration, visualization, cost estimation, scheduling, and sustainability. By adopting BIM, stakeholders can streamline their processes, reduce costs, and deliver better, more efficient projects. In conclusion, BIM is not just the future. It's the present, revolutionizing the way we think about construction and design. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.